What's going on, everyone? Drew Sanford here from MarineMax Huntington, and today we're going to be doing a walkthrough of a brand new 2026 Boston Whaler Montauk 210. If we start here at the transom, this is powered with a 200 horsepower Mercury outboard finished in white. We have the optional water sports tower, as well as our 2 jump seats, so we have some nice extra seating. This boat is finished in light blue with some chrome graphics, so you can see that light blue on our swim platform over here. If we start working our way up, we have our live well built in, a recirculating live well, as well as a mount for a table, so we could use that either for some entertaining, as a bait prep station, anything we want to really do. We could really store this space nicely, and then it stows away in the console. So now that we work our way towards the helm, we have some flip down bolsters for 2 people. Put them up for a little bit extra room behind the wheel. We have a 9-inch Simrad screen. This does have our JL audio package. We have a couple analog gauges, as well as some oversized switching for easy use. We have our dry storage, some cup holders, and since this is the 200 horse Merc, we have a digital throttle, so nice and smooth. Something you only get from 200 horse and up. Now that we walk our way forward, we do see that this is the white frame for the T-top. Really nice, and then we have the same light blue under the T-top to kind of pair it all together. We do have our split bow rail, as well as our split stern rail, but the full high rail package on this really optioned out. Since this does have your 4 and a half seating package, we have some backrests up here that slide right into some rod holders so we can open up the space. We do have the upgraded Yeti cooler up here as well. And like I said, where those backrests are can also be rod holders for the bow. Under this cushion, we do have our anchor locker and some extra storage. Can't see on this side, but there is a door to the console, and this does have the plumbed porta potty, so you can either dump it or there is a pump out right on this side. Great power, great family space. You could stow everything away and get out on the water. If you think you'd like to come check this out, give us a call at 631-424-2710 or check us out at marinemax.com. We'll see you then.